Is the rise of AI a Tower of Babel moment for humanity? When seeking the greatest example of what happens when innovation meets human hubris, look no further than history's OG of all large language models, the Tower of Babel. For according to the biblical narrative, these ancient platform developers used brick instead of stone and tar for mortar. Leveraging their new artificial medium, they built a soaring idol to their own collective intelligence, mocking the very author of all creation. A miscalculation that would ultimately lead to mass confusion and global division. So too has been the rise of AI. From its polarizing echo chambers and stifling censoring mechanisms to its documented effects on our cognitive health, are we witnessing a communication breakdown of biblical proportions? Even while speaking the same language, our capacity to understand has become catastrophically impossible. And now, with the recent explosion in fast, cheap, generative content, soon the day will come where even the human voice itself will be drowned out in a sea of bias, disinformation, and AI hallucinations. Please like and subscribe for more content.